Hello students, let's continue exercise 3.2 in this video. Fourth problem, second subdivision. Given x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Comparing this equation with the standard form of equation. Okay, so you will have a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 8. Okay, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 equal to minus 16. a1 by b1, so taking this ratio a1 by b1 we will get 1 by 3. Then b1 by b2 also minus 1 by minus 3, so minus minus will get cancelled, you will have 1 by 3. Then c1 by c2 minus 8 by minus 16, so we will have 1 by 2. So a1 by b2, sorry, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, that is not equal to c1 by c2. So that means the equations are parallel to each other and have no solution. Hence the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Now third subdivision in the same problem. Given 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So comparing these with the standard form of equation, we have a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 4. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4. Okay, this 2 by 4, it can be simplified to 1 by, actually this is 1 by 2, I have written wrong. Then a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 equal to 1 by minus 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 6 by minus 4 equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So that means the two lines are intersecting each other. So you will have one unique solution. So we have to find out the coordinates and plot on the graph. So for the first equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, so assume the value of x to be 0. Okay, 0 if you take means 6, y value is 6. If you take x value as 1 means 6 minus 2 is 4. Then x value as 2 means 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay, this is how we got the solution table. Then for the second equation, y is equal to 4x minus 4 divided by 2. So for that solution table, you will have x 1 comma 0, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 4. So these coordinates we have to plot in the graph. So the equations are represented in the graph as follows. So this is the straight line for 4x minus 2y equal to 4, and this is the straight line for 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, so if you see means it is intersecting at one point. That point is 2 comma 2. In that point these two lines are intersecting. From the graph it is seen that these two lines are intersecting each other at only one point, 2 comma 2. Okay, that's a solution. Then sixth problem, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, and the second subdivision is parallel lines, and third also you have actually, but I didn't solve, so you have to solve it as your homework. Okay, I will teach you intersecting lines and parallel lines with the same example you can do for the third one. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. For this linear equation, you have to find one more linear equation such that these two lines are intersecting. Okay, so how to find out? To find out another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, it should satisfy the below condition. Okay, so what's the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say the two lines are intersecting lines. So let's take one equation. 2x minus 7y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, if you solve for A1 by A2 means you will have 2 by 2 equal to 1. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by minus 7. Okay, so A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 B2. So you can say that these two lines will intersect at one point. Okay, so this equation satisfies the condition. Okay, so not only see, this is A1 by A2 means you take any number as B2. Okay, so A1 and B2 is the given linear equation coefficients. Okay, so A2 and B2 are our own imaginary linear equation. So you take such that it should not be equal to the A1 by A2. Okay, so these two have to be not equal. Okay, it's your own wish. Whatever linear equation you want, you can change and you can write, no problem. Then given the linear equation, then we have to say that two linear equations are parallel. Okay, so to that, what's the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, so first two should be equal, the next should not be equal. So such that we have to bring a linear equation. Okay, so if you see here, you choose coordinates such that you will get same A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Okay, suppose 2 by 6 is 1 by 3, 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. Okay, but 8 minus 8 by 9 is not 1 by 3. Okay, this itself shows that this equation satisfies this condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, not if you don't want a 1 by 3 means you can take 1 by 2 also. Okay, you can take 4x plus 6y plus 9 equal to 0 also you can take. Okay, so this is our wish, we have to bring this condition, that's all. So with this example, you try the next one to draw a linear equation which coincides with the given equation. Okay. Seventh problem, draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Okay, so they have given two linear equations. Okay, we have to plot on the graph these equations and these two will intersect and they will form one vertex. So, and one more side will be in the x-axis. Okay, here in the question itself they have given x-axis. Okay, so they will form a triangle. Okay, so one vertex will be the intersection of the two lines and other two vertices will be on the x-axis. Okay, so with this we can start this problem. Given equations, then for equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So for that you are going to find the solution. Okay, solution table. So this is the solution table. Okay, so it's easy only 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. These are the coordinates. Then next equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So for this x is equal to 12 minus 2y whole divided by 3. Okay, for this solution table is 4, 0, 2, 3 and 0, 6. Okay, so and then graphic in the this coordinates we have to plot it in the graph. Okay, so if you plot it, you can see this is the line of the linear equation x minus y plus 1. Okay, So you have plotted the coordinates. Then this is the line for the equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so in the question itself they have given with the x-axis. Okay, so you extend the line such that it touches the x-axis. Okay, so then next step what they asked, color the triangle. So if you extend and with the x-axis means this is the triangle, color it. Okay, then they asked for the vertices. Okay, the intersecting point is the one vertex, then two vertices will be on the x-axis. Okay, so that you have to make a note as the vertices of the triangle. From the figure it is seen that these lines are intersecting each other at point 2, 3. Okay, so each other at 2, 3 and x-axis at minus 1, 0 and 4, 0. Okay, therefore the vertices of the triangle are these three coordinates. Okay, this is the answer. So the remaining problems which I didn't work out in the video are your homeworks. You can try, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you, children.